Hello, kids. I'm happy to be with you. How are you? I hope, אני מקווה, I hope you are fine. Let's start our lesson. Today we will learn the new words, מילים חדשות, and do the exercises. Good luck. בהצלחה. בואו נתחיל. Let's start. Listen to the song. Hello. 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 How are you? Hello. 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 How are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? 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 Okay, now tell me please, how are you today? I am fine. I am good. How are you? Good. Now let's continue our work. בואו נמשיך את העבודה שלנו עם המילים, חזרה על מילים, אוקיי? אבל לפני אנחנו נחזור על מילים, אנחנו נחזור על השיר שלנו, ואני מקווה שתשירו יחד איתנו. לפני נשיר, בואו נחזור על כל המילים. Do you remember, האם אתם זוכרים? Do you remember what is a town? A town. I can hear you. Can the ear? Town. Okay. What is around? Around. Yes, מסביב. And what is a bus? A bus. You please? Yes, correct. That is autobus. Okay? And the last one. Up and down. Up and down. למעלה, למטה. למטה, למעלה, למטה. Up and down. ועכשיו בואו נשיר ביחד. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town, all through the town. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town, all through the town. The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, Move
קדימה,
on back.
אחורה.
Driver on the bus says, move on back. All through the town. All through the town. The dog on the bus goes woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. The dog on the bus goes woof, woof, woof. All through the town. All through the town. The baby on the bus goes wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, wah, wah. All through the town. All through the town. The mommy on the bus goes shh, 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 shh. The mommy on the bus goes shh, shh, shh. All through the town. All through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. All through the town.
Okay, thank you very much for singing with us. And now we will go back on some words. Okay, read the words after me. תקראו מילים אחריי. Guard, guard. שומר. Nurse. אתם בבקשה. Nurse. אחות. Fireman. Fireman. אתם בבקשה. Good. כבאי. Driver. Driver. Good. Very nice. נהג. And what is here? אני לא אתרגם את המילים האלה כי אתם יודעים אותם כבר, רק תקראו אחריי. Policeman. Policeman. Doctor. Doctor. Clown. Clown. Vet. Vet. Teacher. Teacher. Shopkeeper. Shopkeeper. Good. Very nice. ואתם עכשיו תפתחו ספר צבעוני, ספר לעמוד 51. 51. אני נותנת כמה שניות לפתוח את הספר. אתם מוכנים? Are you ready? Let's go. Let's do some exercises. תרגילים בעמוד 51. אוקיי. תרגיל מספר 6. Exercise number 6. You have the bank of words, מחסן מילים. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, and grandfather. נא בבקשה לחלק מילים לפי התמונות. אני שואלת שאלה מה זה או מי זה, ואומרת מספר תמונה. אתם אומרים איזה תמונה את זה, לא כותבים כלום, רק אומרים, תרגיל בעל פה. What is number 1? Who is in number 1? Yes, this is a grandfather. This is a grandfather. Okay. Picture number 2. who is in picture number 2? Yes, this is a mother. This is a mother. Okay, who is in picture number 3? Oh yes, this is a father. This is a father. And who is in picture number 4? This is a brother. This is a brother. What do you think about picture number 5? מה נשאר לנו? Sister and grandmother. Number 5 is a sister. Okay, number 5 is a sister. Right you are. And the last picture, look at this bus driver. Bus driver. Who is that? Correct. This is a grandmother. This is a grandmother. Okay, good job. Thank you very much. Okay, עכשיו לפי התמונות, אני מזכירה לכם מה התמונה, אתם אומרים לי מקצוע. מקצועות פה זה nurse, fireman, bus driver, guard, teacher, shopkeeper. לדוגמה, אני מראה לכם תמונה ואומרת תחילת המשפט ואתם מסיימים את המשפט הזה. My mother is a number 2 ואתם אומרים a nurse. Yes, my mother is a nurse. Ready? מוכנים? עכשיו אתם, אני נותנת 2 שניות לענות. My father is a picture number 3. Who is in picture number 3? מה המקצוע של אבא? מי שאמר fireman הוא צודק. Right you are. This is a father. My father is a fireman. כבאי. My brother. This is a brother. My brother is a... בואו ננחש. Picture number 4. Yes, correct. My brother is a guard. My brother is a guard. 4. My grandfather, picture number 1. My grandfather is a... שימו לב, על השולחן שלו זה קופה. אז מה זה יכול להיות? My grandfather is a... And here you are, my grandfather is a shopkeeper. Shopkeeper, מוכר. Now let's go to the sister. Picture number 5. What is a sister? My sister is a... כולם מכירים, זה המקצוע שלי גם. My sister is a... אתם בבקשה? Great job. Teacher. Teacher. My sister is a teacher. And the last one, התמונה האחרונה, picture number 6. My grandmother is a... Yes, she's a bus driver. My grandmother is a bus driver. Thank you very much. אנחנו ממשיכים בווידאו הבא.